how exactly do you enter, as in what is the introduction that you would give for the Sri Lankan crimes investigation process? What is present? What are the key areas that we need to look at?
First of all, I will tell you, not you, people, why I came in this kit. What of my people said, don't do this, right? You must go in your President's Council uniform. I said no. The reason is we have seen so many very learned President's Council with their full ties and everything and all that, and come and say very important things. And the general public just listening to this. I'm talking about the general public who are not lawyers or have no legal education. And they believe what they say. Next day, another President's Council, the same kid comes and says something else. What are they going to believe?
Confusion.
You know, that is why I said I come. I'm not here to address a court. I'm here through your channel to send a message to the general public. You know, because you see, I belong to the general public, but the general public does not belong to me. Understand? Nor do I represent the general public. I don't represent the general public. I represent only myself and my views. So that is why I said I am coming as an ordinary person, just to give very shall we say, simply understood message to the people who are interested in listening to this, that is the public. You know, and not, say this and that, all sorts of big sections and all that. I have only a few sections to cite here. Even those need not be cited, but I will give the public a general indication of what the situation is. Right? That is why I came. Your question, you see, there is a certain hidden part in the Code of Criminal Procedure which governs investigations, which very few people seem to utilize, or very few people seem to know. You know, I think the public should be informed. You see, what it says is, you look at, if I may mention a section.
Yes, please.
110 Criminal Procedure, subsection 2. What it says is, when the police investigate a suspect or record their statement, the suspect is bound to answer truthfully.
Yes.
Right? Every question that is put to them, except those that will tend to incriminating.
Right. And the parallel we draw is the Fifth Amendment in the US.
Precisely. That is actually the Miranda warning.
Yeah.
Miranda warning is embodied in the code, but nobody seems to be utilizing it, Yeah. So, the suspect who is being investigated, if he thinks that he is going to be incriminated, supposing I ask you, have you got a forged deed with you? You can say, I am not answering the question, I am pleading my rights under 110, subsection 2, and then what happens? I have done that once, And the investigation, you see, why do you have a police? Any suspect is entitled. Supposing somebody says, where is the credit card? Supposing the credit card is raised to an illegal account. Suspect is entitled to say, 110.2, I am not answering the question. And remain silent. And there is nothing that the police can do about it, nothing that the court can do about it. You know what I mean? So, you see, the police must investigate, no? They can't get the suspect to investigate himself. You know what I mean? So now what happens here is actually the problem with the bail.
Right.
The Bail Act, lot of people think that if you don't give an undertaking to the court to assist the investigation, you will not get bail.
Right.
Now, can you imagine a situation where the suspect assists the investigation to get himself whacked? No. You know, right? Right. I mean, if he is guilty,
Yeah.
that is the matter for the police. And the bail act is under section 14. It says any person who obstructs the investigation, right, may not be given bail.
Right.
But not answering a question is certainly not obstructing.
Right.
Hiding evidence is obstructing.
Okay.
But you say, I'm not answering the question, you can find it yourself.
True.
You know, and then you leave the police to do their jobs, no, that's what they're paid for.
True.
Otherwise, what will happen is, I mean, suspect can investigate himself, make all the incriminating statements, and then produce all the illegal documents that he has. Then he can send it to the Attorney General. And Attorney General will tell him, you better indict yourself.